Good afternoon, my dear children. I welcome you back to the science class. In science, we were completed lesson 14 and we were on the lesson 15, isn't it? Yes, do you all remember? Yes, what is the topic of the lesson? The topic of the lesson is how things work, isn't it? Yes? Yes, we were learning about the match lights, isn't it? How does the matchbox work? When two things rub together, they get hot, isn't it? Yes. And when you rub your, for example, when you rub your palms together, how do you feel? Do they feel warm? Yes. And rough things become hotter and when they are rubbed, isn't it? Yes. And next we saw about how water puts out fire. How water puts out fire, isn't it? Yes. Water puts out fire in two ways. How is it? First way is when water falls on fire, what happens? The steam is formed. And the steam covers the fire and this shuts out air and without air it cannot burn. So the fire goes out, isn't it? And second, the water cools things. Most things have to be very hot to burn. Okay, when you pour the water, what happens? It cools the things. So they stop burning, isn't it? Yes. Today, we are going to learn about the work of a tap. You can look at the picture. Can you look at the picture? See how a tap works. How a tap works. You can look at your book. Turn your books to page number 88. You can look two pictures. In one picture, first picture, the tap is being closed. Okay. And second picture, the tap is being open. Okay, when you open, the water comes out, isn't it? When you close it, the water cannot comes out, isn't it? Yes. Now, we are going to learn about the soaps and detergent works. Soaps and detergent works. First one, how soaps and detergents work. Dip a paintbrush in watercolor. Dip a paintbrush in watercolor first. Okay, watercolor you all know, isn't it? Yes. Then dip it in water. First you have to dip the paintbrush in the watercolor. Next you dip it in the water. What happened? It will get clean because the watercolor mixes with water and gets washed off. Okay, the watercolor mixes with water and gets washed off. Dip another brush in oil. First brush you dip it in a watercolor and then dip it in water. It's an experiment, okay? And it will get clean because watercolor mixes with water. You can understand, watercolor mixes with water and the paint gets off. Second brush, take another brush and dip it in oil. Okay, oil. And then dip it in water. What happened? The brush will not get clean. Okay, when the brush which is dipped in oil will not be clean. Because why? Because oil does not mix with water. Okay. Yes, this is what. Oil does not mix with water. The paint is mixed with water. That is the watercolor, okay. The brush which dips in water and it will clean the brush and the watercolor mixes with water. But when you compare oil will not mix with the water. Okay. Next one, pour a tablespoon of oil into a glass of water. Take a glass of water. You can look at the picture. Okay, glass of water. You can put a tablespoon of oil into a glass of water. Stir it. Stir it means just mix it nicely. And wait. What happened? The oil will not mix with the water. The oil will not mix with the water. It will float over you can able to see the difference between the oil and the water. Okay, the the oil will be floating in the water. Okay, you can see it in the picture. See, this water is in white in color, but the oil is different. See, yellow. It is been floating in the water. Oil has been floating in the water. It will not mix with the water. Okay, then put some washing powder into the glass and stir again. This picture shows that second picture. The washing powder has been mixed inside the same same water. What happened? This time the oil will mix with water. Okay, when you put only oil in the water, it will not mix. But when you put oil and washing powder inside the water, washing powder makes oil. What happened? The washing powder makes the oil mix with the water. Okay, this time the oil will mix with the water. Same thing. Next one. The dirt that sticks to our hands and clothes is oily. Okay, when your oily skin, dirt stick in the oily dirt. When the dirt is stick in oily clothes, what happen? What should I do? Soaps and detergent, for example, washing powder makes it mix with the water. The dirt gets washed off with the soap and water. Okay, your mom. Okay, you can ask your mom. When your mom is going to wash your clothes, it will be putting detergent and clothes and they will put it for half an hour and then they will wash. Why? Because it is be easy if it has been soaked inside the detergent. The clothes being soaked inside the detergent, and it will easy for the dirts to wash off. Okay. Yes. So what you learn from this experiment is the oil does not mix with the water. Okay, oil does not mix with the water. When it has been added with the soap, washing powder, it mixes with water. Okay, so oil does not mix with the water. It will float over the water. Oil does not mix with the water, it floats with the water. Next one. It's a simple, in this lesson we are going to learn only about the experiments. Okay, nothing to learn about it. Just you can, with the help of your mom, you can do it. With your parents, you can do this experiment and you can learn from it. Okay, next one. Squeeze half a lemon into a cup. Squeeze half a lemon into a cup and dip a cotton. You have to squeeze a lemon in a cup and dip a cotton bud or toothpick into the juice. Okay, you have to dip half a lemon in a cup. Okay, in a cup you have to squeeze the lemon and then dip a cotton bud or a toothpick into the juice. You dip a cotton bud and write with the bud or toothpick on a white sheet of paper. Let the juice dry. Let the juice dry. The writing will become invisible. You can look at the picture. You can look at the picture in this one. It will become dry. Okay. Ask an adult to heat the back of the paper, not the side with the writing. You have to take a paper and you have to heat it. You have to write it and then heat under the back of the paper. Okay, ask an adult to heat the back of the paper, not the side but the back, on a tawa or a frying pan. What happens? Slowly the invisible writing will turn brown. Okay, like this. You have what you have seen in the picture. The same thing will happen if you heat the back of the paper with a hot iron also. This you can try it at home. Okay, you just dip a cotton bud, squeeze a lemon into a cup, dip a cotton bud or a cotton bud into the juice and write with the bud on a white sheet of paper. Let it dry and then the writing will become invisible. You cannot see it, isn't it? Yes. And then ask your parents to heat it on the back of, not on the front where you have written, on the back of the paper. Okay, what happened? Slowly what you have written, it will be visible. Okay, it will turn into brown color. Okay, this you can try it at home with the help of your parents. Next experiment is lemon juice has something called carbon in it. What does it have? Carbon, C-A-R-B-O-N, carbon in it. So do bread, flour, sugar and many other things. When you heat such things, carbon burns slowly. Okay. Well, what are the things which in carbon is there? Bread, flour. Flour is nothing but the arsi maavu, okay, sugar and many other things. Okay, when you heat such things, what happens? Carbon burns slowly and turns brown or black. You can look at the roasted bread. That's how slices turn brown in the toaster and rotis and puris turn brown. Why? Because of the presence of carbon. Okay, this experiment with your parents, you can do it. So in this lesson we have learned about all the experiments. Okay, just to give you a brief idea about what is there. Okay, yes, in these things we learn about how things work. That's it. Okay, I hope this is a very easy lesson. Just if you practice well with the help of your parents, it will be easy for you to learn. Okay, so from this lesson we have learned that without carbon dioxide things cannot be burned. Okay, yes, and the mixture. And another point is important is the oil does not mix with water. Okay, oil does not mix us with water. Okay, I hope you'll understand. That's it for today, children. And the spellings, question answers will be for this lesson will be given you in the WhatsApp group. Okay, that's it for today. Thank you, children.